How to fix no sound on Instagram story or videos. Now, if you're on Instagram and it has no sound going on, now that could be 2 to 3 issues. Now, the first and foremost issue could be a system issue. Okay, in most cases, what happens is Instagram has a lot of cache memory stored up, and that causes Instagram to have some issues in its files. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our settings. And inside of our settings, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go over to Instagram. So here we are. And once you're here, you're going to go over to storage. In your storage, you're going to clear the cache memory. Now, by clearing the cache memory, you're removing any unnecessary temp files that are stored inside of Instagram. And once you do that, basically what happens from there is everything should be fine. Just update your Instagram from here on out if there's any updates, or reinstall it, and you should be good to go. That is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.